In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet. If you need to join an online meeting for work, school, or a quick conversation, Google Meet makes the process very simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to get into a meeting so you can connect without confusion. To begin, open Google Meet on your device. You can do this from a web browser on your computer or by using the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start, because that will help your video and audio work more smoothly during the meeting. Once Google Meet is open, look for the meeting link you were given. If someone shared the meeting link with you in a message, chat, or document, copy it and paste the link into your browser or into the correct field in Google Meet. After pasting the link, wait a moment for the meeting page to load. This page usually lets you preview your camera and microphone before entering, which is helpful if you want to quickly check that everything is working properly. When you're ready, click on Join. This will send you into the meeting, or in some cases, it may send a request to the meeting host asking them to let you in. If that happens, just wait a few seconds until you're admitted. Another common way to join a Google Meet is through an invitation email. If you received an email invitation, open the invitation and look for the option that says Join Meeting. This link is usually clearly visible in the message. Click on Join Meeting, and it will take you directly to the Google Meet page for that session. From there, you may again see a preview screen where you can turn your microphone or camera on or off before entering. This is useful if you're joining from a noisy place or if you want to enter the meeting with your camera off first. Once everything looks right, continue into the meeting by selecting Join. As a quick tip, try joining a minute or two early so you have time to fix any audio or camera issues before the meeting starts. It's also a good idea to check that your device permissions allow Google Meet to use your microphone and camera, especially if it's your first time joining. And that's it. Whether you open Google Meet directly and paste in the link, or use the invitation from your email, joining a Google Meet only takes a few simple clicks.